Do you find yourself replying to the same message, answering the same thing in your Instagram DMs? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create some saved DMs so that when you receive the same questions, you can just type in certain words and then the reply will appear. Okay, this is very good if you want to save your time, especially in replying Instagram DMs. Now, before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump to my phone. Don't have this option in computer, so let's do it in the phone to show you how you can set up saved replies for your Instagram DM. Let's go. Alright, so let's make your life easier by having saved replies in your Instagram DM. So now I'm at my phone. Open up your Instagram account. So click into your Instagram messages, which is at the top right. There's this messenger icon, just click on it. So I'm using Apple right now, iPhone, so this is how you can do it with iPhone. Okay, at the top right, you can see there's 3 dots. Okay, click on the 3 dots, and then you can see here tools. Click on tools, and then you can see here saved reply. Click on save reply, so you can create a few saved reply. Just click plus. So enter the relevant shortcut word. For example, what shortcut word you want to use. For example, hello. Okay, then the messages. So for this shortcut, I shouldn't have any white space. For example, if I put space, you have some issues. Or for example, I put contain special character, also cannot. So you just put hello one. Hi. Okay, then next you fill up your message. Type your message. Hi, thank you for reaching out to me. How can I help you? Just an example, alright? Then you click save. Alright, so now you have one saved replies. So for example, you can have as many as you want. For example, if you receive many inquiries, or you have someone to manage your account and you just want the replies to be consistent, you can have saved replies, so you can have as many as you want, right? So how do you use it? So now let's go message someone. Now for example, this is my another account. So I want to message this account. So just type hello one, and then you can see save reply here. And then just click send. You can see hi, thank you reaching out to me. How can I help you? Oops, sorry, I need to click on it. Sorry, let's type hello one, click on the save reply, and then you will appear here, and boom, send it there. So yeah, so that's how easily you can use save replies in your Instagram DM. It's very easy, and I think it's very helpful. For example, if you have a lot of messages and it's quite challenging for you to reply one by one, use this and hopefully it will help you make your workflow easier.